Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And today I have one of my favorite subscription boxes. I just got my Allure Beauty box for the month of February. So we're going to see what's inside here. So let's get to it. Okay, friends. First, I want to thank you for being here. If you want to support my channel, you can hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, and do those things. I would really appreciate it. And so let's get into this Allure box here. The Allure box is $25 a month. I actually buy it on an annual basis, so I only pay $17 a box. But they also have lots of good sign-up perks where you can get like $10 off your first box, plus a free gift. They have different promotions going on, but it's a great box. You usually get anywhere from 5 to 7 items, usually at least 3 full-size items, and most of it's skincare, although they do give some makeup, lip products, hair care. It's all stuff that's that Allure products that they recommend, and usually they test them out anyway, so it's usually good products. So here we go for this month. I'm not sure, here we go, what's inside of here. It's kind of small things, but we got some full-size items. I'm not sure this is going to be one of my favorite months, but let's open it. Sometimes after we get into it, we see how much, you know, how we really feel about it. But anyway, so the first item is from Merit, and this is a lip product, and it is a lip oil, and I got the color. This was something we could pick. I think I got the color, let me look on here. This is Rose Petal Pink Beet, and it's just these barely there tints give lip just the right amount to oomph in one of 4 gorgeous colors. Okay, each feels light and comfortable on lips, but lasts for ages. A nice perk given how unfussy these tints are to apply. Hydrating ingredients like shea butter, rosehip, grapeseed, and jojoba oils, or make the formula feel extra nourishing. So it is, the retail price is $24 for 7 ml, which is a full size right here. I guess they're barely there, but mine looks like it's a pretty intense color. So we'll see what it's, okay. So there it is. Kind of have this color on my lips right now, similar color, but anyway, so there's that. So I'm actually, this is one item I'm actually excited about, so I wanted to try that. So anyway, that's the first item. The next item we have in here is from Skin Inc., I believe, and this is a it's a deep sea hydrating overnight mask. Let's take a look. Now this is actually a full size, which is 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And it's valued at $85. So this must be something really great. So let me read about it and tell you what it says. This clear gel mask feels so good on the skin. It's cooling to the touch and soothing, a welcome addition to any routine that this time of year when cold winter temperatures and indoor heat can wreak havoc on the skin. Spiked with hyaluronic acid and glycerin, it's also incredibly hydrating. A very thin coat feels calming on my dry, irritated skin, and it quickly hydrates thirsty patches, like at the top of my cheeks. So that's what one user said. So you just smooth it on the mask and let it sit for 30 minutes or overnight. And it says it's comfortable to sleep, and it's so comfortable we even like to wear it in place of moisturizer on days when skin is feeling like it could use a little extra hydration. So it's very hydrating. At $85, this better be good. I'm definitely going to try it. It sounds like it could be great. So anyway, there's that. That's a second item. And then we've got two items, two hair items. These are from Olaplex. These are sample sizes. They are, let's see what I got here. Right here. There they are. And one is a bond smoother and the other is a bond protector. Okay, they're $30 for the full size, which is 90 milliliters. These are each 20 milliliters that are in here. So, so the smoother just helps, you finger comb this formula through damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. Then run what's left on your hands over your roots. It's light enough that it won't weigh hair down. So the other one, you smooth it over damp, towel-dried hair also. Do the same thing. So this one of them, the bond protectors for high temperatures like blow drying that cause frizz and whatever, flyaways. And gosh, they both kind of say the same thing. So anyway, Olaplex is great, has some great products, so I definitely will try those. So there's that. So that's our 4 items. Now the 5th item I have here is it's a deodorant. Now I don't usually use stick deodorants, but this is Mega Babe. It's the smoothie DEO. This one's fruit enzyme daily deodorant, lemon and oranges. Okay, so actually this smells really good. It kind of has a minty smell, minty citrus. So it's big. It's a big container. Let's see what it says. Obviously, it's a full size. It's $14 for 2.6 ounces, that's what it is. It says no matter which scent you're trying, these deodorants smell fresh and stay that way all day long. So it says you may still sweat. It's deodorant, not antiperspirant, but you'll smell good doing it. So anyway, there was 3 scents. They randomly chose one for you. I'm actually happy with this scent. I don't know. We'll see if I'm going to use it or not. I'm kind of weird about my deodorants. I'm sure it's good. It's really cute packaging. So anyway, there's that. So, and there's one more thing in here. This is a sample size. This is from 3 Ships, and it is Dew Drops. This is a hyaluronic acid right here. And you just smooth it onto clean skin in the morning and top it off with your usual moisturizer. This brightening, hydrating serum is light and easy to layer, so you can give your skincare routine a boost with its soothing aloe, hydrating coconut, and more. So anyway, this is $37 for 30 milliliters, and this one right here is 7 milliliters, so just a small sample. So anyway, we got that. So let's see here. We've got the I'm going to just put these in here. We got the hyaluronic acid serum, and we got the deodorant, and I got the Olaplex smoothing, and this, and okay, so one's a bond smoother and one's a protector. So we got those 2. We got the Skin Ink, the very expensive $85 mask, so I'm excited to use that. So we got that there. And the last thing we have here is the Merit lip product. This obviously just pays for the box right here on its own. And then, so the value is definitely there. I would say this is not one of my favorite boxes. I don't know why, but it's just okay for me. I mean, we got some good products though. They're products I'll use. It just wasn't as exciting. But anyway, I love Allure no matter what. You know, with any sub box, you're going to get months that you really are excited about everything and months that you're just so. I mean, that just is normally happens. But one thing about Allure, you're always getting good products, and usually things that I know, usually they're things that I will use. So I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think. Do you get Allure? What did you think of this month's products? And let me know in the comments. And thank you for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.